Welcome back, folks. Today we got something a little different. I was trying to do some more photography, more portrait style photo shoots, and I wanted to use my Mamiya 645, which is a medium format film camera. And so I thought I would just bring my camera to school and in and around school and just take photos of people that go to my school. So we got some photos from like October 20th to until Halloween. So let's see it. All right. Okay. All right, this is me, the first shot of the roll.
Smile, serious.
Like a fake laugh, but not like the whole time. All right, is it gold on her? Yeah, shine the gold really quick. Okay. All right, give me serious. Give me serious. Give me, like, look straight down the camera. Yeah, keep your head level. Yeah, like that. Perfect. Like, look to your right just a bit. Okay, now eyes on me. Eyes on me. Oh, all right, ready? 1, 2, 3. Boom. That's it. That's it. Cool. First picture done. Hey, how's it going? Hey, I'm doing a little project and I was wondering if I could take a picture of you and your dog here.
You would take a picture of him for sure.
Sure, sounds good.
Very friendly.
Sure.
Very friendly. Oh,
what's his name?
This is Wallace.
Wallace.
Hey, buddy.
If I had a treat, he would come over, right?
There you go. Good boy.
Hello. Hello.
Good boy. Yeah, he wants to ride the skateboard.
Wallace.
I know. We're hanging out by the fire hydrant for a reason.
That's a good picture right there. Cool.
Oh, I know you're
All right, got it. Thank you, Wallace. Cool, thank you. Yeah, I'm gonna use the footage for my YouTube channel. Is it cool if you're in it?
Oh yeah.
All right, cool.
Tell me your YouTube channel.
It's on my shirt.
What background?
I like this backlight. Okay, can you see the orange?
Yeah, I can see
Right.
it.
Here, sit in the crib.
Okay.
In the sunlight over there.
Like look away, like candid?
Yeah, well, I'm gonna be standing right there, and then you can just look down the lens right here.
Okay.
I like that. You want the backpack on? Here, you want me to take that? I can move it out of the frame if you want. Oh yeah, that's looking good. I got the sun on the side.
Should I pose or should it be candid?
Yeah, it can be candid. I mean, I only have one shot, so it's gotta be like perfect pretty much. Let me see. I'm just gonna look different angles here. I like this. I like that. Let's see. Let's get a little closer here. Oh yeah, I like that. I like that. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Bet. Got it.
Okay.
You want me to email that to you?
Yeah.
Bet.
No, yeah, that's why everybody was frowning back then. Yeah, in photos. Right?
So this one and this one.
Yeah, to focus it, you can rotate this dial, but it should be pretty like well focused right now.
Okay. I only see you 4 in the middle, so like I don't see yellow shirt and white shirt. Yeah, there, everyone's in. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Just one? You want one?
Hell yeah. Thanks, bro.
That shit is ancient technology.
Hey, excuse me. Hey, I'm doing a project where I take pictures of people that go to UC Merced. I was wondering if I could take a photo of you, just like chilling on the bus. All right, cool. Yeah, you can just be like looking out the window, like that in that direction. Oh yeah, that looks good. Yeah, that looks really good. All right, 1, 2. All right, got it. Cool. And did you want me to like email that to you or something? All right, cool. All right, dude. Are you ready for this? You ready for this? This is gonna be a pretty epic shot. All right, ready? 1, 2, 3. Got it. Slip. Okay, that's perfect right there. That's perfect. Hey, Dylan. Can you hold this for me, buddy? All right, Dylan. I think I have to adjust that light for me, buddy, because it's
Like that? Right there?
Yeah, that's good. That's good.
Alright, take this bitch.
I got it. Yeah, it's film. That's why I gotta be slow. I gotta be slow about it. All right, hold it right there. Yeah, hold it right there. All right, that looks good. 1, 2, 3. Oh, that's a good shot. That's a good shot. Cool. You want me to email it to you?
Yeah.
Sounds
How
good.
long is it gonna take until we can see it?
So this camera's film, so it's gonna take me a little while just to get all the settings kind of right. So just bear with me here. Yeah, you can lean up. Give me like a little lean up against this wall here, like this. Okay, right. 1, 2, 3. Boom, got it. Sweet. Thank you so much. Yo, hey bro, is it cool if I get a photo of you? Here, walk, stand like right here. Stand like right here. That's perfect, bro. Hell yeah. Take this off. Yeah, that's good. Sick, bro. 1, 2, 3. Perfect, bro. Sweet. Thank you, bro.